channel. Thank you for the comment and watching and like my last video, and I hope you enjoy with our creation animal towel clothing from the hand towel, face towel and bath towel. Today I'm going to make some animal little bit difficult, but I'm sure you can do it if you can try at home. And don't forget, like, comment and share and subscribe my channel video. Okay, first of all, we have to prepare one face towel and one hand towel. The animal today is we're going to make koala. Yeah. We have to prepare one face towel and one hand towel. Okay. First, you have to do like this. Yeah. Roll this hand towel. Yeah. This one. Okay. Yeah. Then you take the color of the hand towel. Yeah. 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 Color of the hand towel. Yeah. You see that? Yeah. Take it off. Yeah. Alright. Then you put here like this. Yeah. Alright. This is for the body of what's that? Koala. Now we're going to make some head of koala. Yeah. You do like this. Right. Then roll it. Okay. Ears. Put here. And eyes. Alright. It's very simple. It's made from hand towel and face towel, and we can make a koala animal. Try at home, okay? Share, comment, like and subscribe my channel video. See you in the next video. Bye.